Welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to be doing an air filter replacement on a 2016 Subaru Impreza. The part that we're going to be using today is a Fram Extra Guard CA9997, and as you look at the engine compartment here, just left of center you see the intake manifold, and in behind that you have your air filter box. You're going to snap these two clips off, and we're going to just unsnug this wire down here. Once we've got those two clips off, there is a sensor right here that we're just going to pull off of there, and it's going to slide up and away. Now it does take a bit of force to push this back, but it has a little coil on the arm there, so you can get it back, and then we're going to be just lifting this up and out. Now I'll let you see the difference between old and new. Sorry, that's a little bit of grease from my gloves. So we're going to make sure those fins are facing forward, and that's going to tuck down inside the air filter compartment. I'm gonna wrestle around with it a little bit. You can see down in the bottom here, right down in here, there's a guide where you want to make sure that you have the manifold tucked right in. Once you have that all inside, make sure that there is a slide guide on that side down beside the wall. You're making sure those are both in. Give it a good snug press. Snap both clips back down, and make sure there's no crud in your sensor there, and you hear the snap, and you're done. Well, thanks very much for stopping by the shop today. Hopefully what you saw was helpful to you. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.